Isabel, we talk about a little bit, what exactly is the U.S. Census?
Well, it is a count that is taken every 10 years. It is mandated by the Constitution, and I just want to say we are so appreciative, though, of Loudoun County as a partner. This is exactly why we're in the position that we're in. That's the partnership. We take a census. It's mandated. We are to count every adult and child in the United States, whether they're citizens. Well, the nice thing is every household will be receiving a form.
And I can show
this decennial, yes. Yeah. This is an example of the bilingual form. Now, the nice thing about this particular decennial is there are only 10 questions. We say 10 questions per person, but in reality, it's 10 questions for the person filling out the form, 6 questions for each additional person on the form. We're talking about very basic questions. The first one is how many people live in the household? What sort of household? We don't ask for a Social Security number. We don't ask for a tax identification number. We don't ask one's status. We ask race, ethnicity, gender, age, general statistics that will be then made available at the end of April. So that's why we want to encourage people. They'll get the forms in March. So we're encouraging you, please, as soon as you get it, don't put it aside. Fill it out, send it in. But also, because we do realize that these days some people maybe are doubling up with regard to housing, the form itself may not have sufficient space for everyone living in that particular household, because you're going to have room for about 6 to 8 people. And then I work with the Hispanic Latino community, and sometimes we have larger households. So what we are looking for are be counted sites. These are areas in the community. They could be businesses. They could be community organizations, churches, faith-based organizations. We're looking for places where we can have extra forms available. So if someone loses their form, they would be able to find a place where it's a be counted site and they could get an extra form and fill that out and send that in as well.
And Robin, your group is working with Isabel to provide sites on the Loudoun.gov/census website for Loudoun County residents, so that people can look there for information, especially as the time gets closer. Census Day.
And questionnaire assistance centers will also be what we're looking for, because again, some people may need assistance filling out the form, and we're looking for community-based organizations who might make some space available. Again, both the Be Counted sites and the questionnaire assistance centers would be staffed by census staff, so people would not need to worry about safeguarding the material or having to upkeep anything. We would be responsible for that.
So if someone is interested in partnering with you, you would like them to contact you?
Please feel free to call. I believe the number is on the screen, but it's 703-869-2487.
And you say you are just one of many Census Bureau workers that this is being replicated throughout the country.
That's correct. We are called partnership specialists, and our role really is to help increase the response of those traditionally hard to count communities. That would include immigrants, recent immigrants, undocumented individuals, college students, gated communities, and actually anyone who doesn't trust the government. African-American young men from 18 to 35, that's a traditionally hard-to-count community. So really, it's a huge number of people that we wouldn't think of.